Today, I'm going to show you how to change the air filter on a 2023 through 2025 Ford Escape with the 1.5 liter turbo EcoBoost engine. To change the air filter and open the hood, you want to first come to this black latch down here by the driver door and pull it twice, like that, until you hear 2 clicks. Once you open the hood and prop it up, there is a small connector that we need to remove for the mass airflow sensor before we can take the filter out. On the bottom of this connector is a little white tab. Pull the white tab towards you to unlock the connector and pull straight out. Just like that. Once you have removed the mass airflow sensor connector, then you can take a Torx T30 driver and remove the 5 Torx T30 screws holding the top and bottom of the air housing together. Once you have loosened the screws, simply separate the top of the air housing from the bottom of the air housing and remove your dirty filter. To install the new engine air filter, lift the top of the air filter housing and line up the air filter with the bottom of the housing, and then take these 2 clips in the back, line them up with the lid, and pop it into place so it is closed. Once the air filter housing is fully attached, tighten the 5 T30 Torx screws. Okay. Once these screws are secure, plug the mass airflow sensor back in and push the white tab away from you so it clicks into place. Then remove the prop rod, insert it into its little holder, close the hood, and you are done. Thank you so much for watching. I hope this helped you change your air filter. Leave a comment below, like this video, subscribe, and I'll see y'all in the next one.